Welcome to the Green Hops, the biggest news of the morning, and we are first to break it that the China legislature has approved a decision to force a controversial national security law on Hong Kong in an extraordinary and unprecedented move aimed at bringing the semi-autonomous territory further under Beijing's control. On Thursday, China National People Congress today morning voted and passed a draft decision that paves the way for anti-sedition law to be directly enacted in Hong Kong by passing the semi-autonomous territory legislature. The Legislative Council has been unable to pass similar legislation on its own because of widespread public opposition. Now, a detailed law will be drafted and could be enacted in a matter of weeks, according to Chinese state media. The move by China has prompted a widespread condemnation and anxiety inside and outside the Hong Kong about Beijing's plan for the semi-autonomous territory. Riot police were deployed across Hong Kong to stop any potential protest and riots. The vote comes after at least 360 people were arrested in Hong Kong on Wednesday as police fired paper pellets guns, detained suspected protesters in a series of probe and investigations that broke out across the city. Demonstrators were protesting against a bill to criminalize disrespect of the Chinese national anthem and the looming national security law. On Thursday, debate over the national anthem bill was suspended after a lawmaker opposing the law dropped what was believed to be a writing plan onto the chamber's floor. Following the protest, U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo said that the government would revoke Hong Kong's special trade status as separate from China. No reasonable person can assert today that Hong Kong maintains a high degree of autonomy for China, given fact on the ground, Pompeo said. Further, Pompeo said that Chinese Foreign Minister spokesperson Zhou Lijian said that government will adopt necessary countermeasures to deal with mistaken attempts at foreign interference by other countries in the Hong Kong and China's policy. This was the breaking news of the today, and the President Donald Trump has mentioned this decision as one of the saddened, and whatever the future development of the story may or might be, we will keep you informing in detail. So subscribe our channel, like, share and subscribe. We will keep you informing. Thank you so much.